Business and major in HRD management. Is this your first job application?
No, ma'am.
Ano-ano pa yung mga iba mong in-applyan?
My previous job po is naging validator po ako sa DSWD at naging validator din po ako sa PSA at naging registration kit operator po. And last po is tumulong po ako sa negosyo ng aking kapatid po.
Negosyo. I'm just wondering, bakit ngayon ay gusto mong magpulis?
Gusto ko po magpulis, ma'am, kasi po ito po ay I want to have a stable job, and second one is has a high salary po, and the third one po is to fulfill my ultimate dreams po, ma'am.
Okay, ultimate dream mo rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. Maraming salamat, Sir Bastin.
Thank you, ma'am.